And I think analysts are going to ask a lot of questions regarding Figma, especially because on the surface, the price is very expensive. They were paying, 50 times annualized recurring revenue based on the fourth quarter of this year's projections. I mean, that's a very expensive price tag. On the surface, it really looks like Adobe was trying to take out a competitor at any cost. But on the other hand, this management team deserves a lot of credit for capital allocation. They have a long history of doing very, very good M&A activity. So, I mean, I definitely think they're going to spend a lot of time describing this, explaining their reasoning, as well as this kind of transition period that they're going to have to go through following the acquisition, because they're going to pause share purchases in order to pay down debt to fund that deal. And this is going to be a different kind of phase than investors are used to as in the past.
So the rating summary on Seeking Alpha, it says authors like yourself rates Adobe as a buy. The exclusive quant rating says Adobe is a hold. Tell me, why is it a buy for you?
Adobe's fallen quite a lot the past year, but in truth, it hasn't fallen quite as much as maybe other tech stocks. Still, though, this is a company, it's trading at 20 times earnings. There's secular growth for years to come. I mean, this is the kind of business that you can see growing for a very long time. They have a long history of rewarding shareholders. I know that maybe in the next couple of quarters, maybe even a year, they may not do much share purchases, but there's that track record for investors to know that they should be able to count on share purchases at some point. So this is the kind of name that upon a tech recovery should be one of the tech leaders. It should continue to still maintain a sort of premium valuation to the rest of the tech sector.
Okay. So year to date, the stock is down about 49%, and Adobe reports earnings again. It's going to be a couple of months away, not until December. Anything else you want to add about Adobe?
I think for a lot of investors, this analyst day is definitely going to be just as important as an earnings report. I think it will make the next earnings report probably a little less important. I think investors are really going to focus on that multi-year outlook, as well as those explanations of that Figma acquisition, because definitely a lot of investors are having some doubts after based on that price tag that was paid for.
Again, this is Julian Lin, an author on Seeking Alpha. He's the author of Best of Breed Growth Stocks. Julian, thanks so much for joining me today. I appreciate it.
My pleasure.
For more coverage, catch our daily one-page news summaries and podcasts on seekingalpha.com/WSB. I'll see you next time.